what's up guys? It's Jess. I know that I have not been around very often lately. I have been so busy with work and school, so I really hope that you all will forgive me. But I'm still building and I'm still making my models. I'm currently still working on Sue's helicopter group build, the Dolphin helicopter. I've made quite a bit of progress on this, so I'll be putting it together and getting it in primer, and soon enough we'll be laying some paint. And this has been a pretty good build so far, almost complete. So I have been getting a little bit of work done. And then I just wanted to let everybody know that I am still doing the monster truck build. I am just going to put it on the back burner for a little while because Senior's tribute build has been announced, and that takes precedency, of course, over any other builds. And for that one, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. Myself, Marcy, and Amanda have been honored with the task to do some vans. We're doing the Seniors Angels vans. It's kind of a takeoff of Charlie's Angels, so we're going to get some Seniors Angels decals, and we'll be building vans in honor of Senior. The van that I'm going to be doing is this 76 Chevy van. I know I can't get away from these Chevy vans. So I'll be doing this one, and I want to thank Henry Robs for sending this to me. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it, because I, of course, wanted to be a part of doing this for Senior, so that means a lot. Thank you. Yeah, so that's just a little bit of an update on what's been going on over here. I also started on the Chevy van, and I got the engine all primed and put together. Now it's just needing some paint, but we are moving along. Another thing that I wanted to show you guys and bring up about this van is I have never seen this before, but it comes with tire halves that when you put together are supposed to make one tire. I don't know how many of you have experience with this. I'm sure plenty of you do, but this is the goofiest thing I have ever seen. This is really nuts. I told my dad about it, and he just told me not to fiddle with that, and we'll find some better tires for the van. Of course, you know, I was willing to do the challenge, but this is just so silly. I don't understand why they wouldn't just make a full tire. If you're gonna go that length to make the plastic, why do it like this? So if anybody has any answers to this, I need an explanation. So yeah, that's one of the little things that I just wanted to share with you guys because I just thought that was so silly. And then I wanted to share with you guys what I've got going for the engine so far. So here we are with the engine pieces. I have got them all in primer. It's pretty self-explanatory, you know, all in primer. I'm not really too crazy about how the bottom of this engine looks, so I might like put some putty in it. You know how I feel about the seams, guys. I'm such a perfectionist when it comes to those little lines being in the models. I just don't think they should be showing. So yeah, I might go back and put a little bit of putty on that and just try and get that seam out. And then, what else? Yeah, I should show you guys the van. So the really cool thing about this van is that and you're not gonna believe this, it actually has a cutout back. So basically, like it comes with hinges already put in there, and the doors will automatically open. I'm not gonna state how I feel about that, considering the last van. This would have been a dream to use for the last van. But no, I took the hard road per usual and decided to cut the hinges out and all the plastic myself when I didn't know that this was in existence. But for this one, I haven't really decided whether or not I want to put the doors on and like keep them in place, or if I want them to open. I'm probably just gonna go with them opening, seeing as the design made it kind of simple for that to happen. So I will go ahead and probably make the doors open so you can see kind of like the interior and stuff like that, because the interior is actually pretty cool. Let me get it out of here so you guys can check it out. So check this out. The interior is super detailed. I mean, a little bit of fabric or something I could like push down in there and get that shape and that texture. That would be really cool to look inside. I just feel like that would be such a wasted opportunity if I didn't use the interior like that. And then it comes with a little like old school TV set with like a little mini fridge underneath. I don't know. I think that's what that is. But yeah. So this is the van that I'm going to be doing for Seniors Tribute build. I want to do a candied look on the paint job. I'm going to probably do a magenta candy. I was looking at Tropical Glitz online. They have a lot of really nice paints. They're a little pricey, but they're so nice and so worth it. I actually used the Sugar Brown on the Foxy box when I did that van. I used the Tropical Glitz paint. That just turned out so beautifully. They're ready to paint. Paints are just so nice. The way they go in the airbrush, everything's clean, it's crisp, solvent based. Like once you use solvent based paints and stuff, it's hard to go back. So I guess I'm a little paint spoiled, but so that's kind of my plan for this van and the layout of it. But yeah, guys, that's what I've been up to. I just wanted you to know that I have not abandoned ship. I am still hard at work building these models, and that's about it. I hope that all of you have a wonderful rest of your week. Bye.